Not only did I find out that I enjoyed being with you, we began to have some very meaningful and cultivate a safe space for us to actually talk.
Yeah, and so simply put, real
Conversations.
Yeah.
Yes. And it taught
the
us
city,
how,
high rise, and all we could do is go out on the balcony and just
however, we didn't communicate in other relationships.
couples that cannot communicate will struggle.
I think that we brought what we wanted. This is the way I felt. We brought it to our relationship, and balcony talk was the safe space.
Yeah.
And I appreciated that we could cultivate.
Here's what happened. You couldn't go anywhere. Couldn't go out, couldn't travel. And so all we could do, we live in the city, talk.
Yeah.
At this point, balcony talk, this is the first episode.
First episode, baby.
So,
We
like,
did
which
it.
we're excited about it. Give it 2 more times, boom, right there. The number one thing that comes up, you talk to counselors, therapists, it's communication. Listen, we get a nice, drink of choice. Wifey wasn't smoking cigars at the time, so that became sort of our thing. We go out, and so, once we were divorced and then we reconnected, excited about it.
Yeah.
And so, we're just looking forward to chill. And I remember, and she was married, 20 years. We'll tell that whole story a little bit later. So we had an idea about, and people, gave us pretty positive feedback and response because we kept it real.